Okay, so I'm gonna go in. Just gonna get myself a portion of this. This is for my dinner. I really need to get a better camera set up for doing these videos, but anyway, that's another story. So there it is. I'm just gonna have a little bit more. And yes, it's fine to have this cold, but what I'm going to do is kind of portion this up and put it in the freezer just so I can have some bits throughout the week. So, reaction video, what's this casserole like? Let's have a little look. There it is. That is really nice. Really nice. You can taste the garlic, tomato sauce. It's not overpowering. The bacon's in there as well. I'm impressed with that. I like that a lot. It's nice and warmed up, but you know, I'm just going to have it on its own, just cold. But yeah, you can have it with salad or whatever else you want. But yeah, that turned out really well. Happy about that.